This whole country was filled with nomadic warriors. And most of them got killed by fucking smallpox. That's what's the crazy.
Oh.
Most of them got killed by the flu and all sorts of diseases that came over with the Europeans.
How gay must that have felt, dude? You're a fucking warrior, right?
Yeah. You go to the trading depot to drop off some fucking skins. Some dude sneezes on you, and that's a wrap.
Yeah, you're like,
Fuck.
You've been training all day, dude.
Fuck.
And some guy just fucking doesn't wash his feet for half an afternoon.
Are you going to take another one?
I fucking
Oh my
like
God,
to
you're an animal.